Hey guys, so let's show you how it looks. Now, I got a lot of hair, so it's easy to use. So for the button, you would press it right here, and as you guys can see, it's very simple to use. Hello everyone and welcome back, my friends. Today we are reviewing a 270-degree wide angle waterproof IPX4 flood headlamp. It has two 18,650 battery, 600 lumens, USB rechargeable, built-in battery, and it's lightweight. Cob plus 9 LED. Let's go ahead and open this up, show you guys what it looks like, and also test it out for you. They give you a little manual, the charging cable, since it is wireless, and in here, this is it. So this is what it looks like. You have your LED light band, then you have multiple lights in the center and another band on the side. On the back here you have your emergency light, that way, and that's controlled separately, so that way if you're using this, riding bike, jogging, whatever you want to do, if you want to have an emergency light on, you can have it on. So you got three different modes. It is fully adjustable. This also, let's see here, this also can be clamped up. Whew, that is bright. Oh my goodness, look at that. You have multiple modes with this, so you have the center, super bright, you have a dimmer, you have the sides light up, you have everything light up, and then you have just the straps light up. So that is super bright, my friends. So you charge it right back here. There is the strap that way for support, so it's not hard against your head. And as well here, there's a soft, almost like not Velcro, but soft felt pad right here as well. Hey guys, so let's show you how it looks. Now, I got a lot of hair, so it's easy to use. So for the button, you would press it right here. And as you guys can see, it's very simple to use. Very bright. And that's just one mode. There's another. There's another mode. Another. And there's the side straps as well. So we can take a look over here. You guys can see. That's how bright it is. That's mode number 1. Mode number 2, mode number 3, mode number 4, and then the LED strip is not as bright as far as directional, but it's bright as far as wide. So that's what the LED strip's going to be good for, is for wide caves, good angle. Overall, it's nice, adjustable, going to work great for whatever lighting needs you have.